Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with a controller on your personal computer. Many players find that using a gamepad offers a more comfortable and precise way to navigate the vast worlds of Roblox. We will cover connecting various controller types, from Xbox to PlayStation, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite games with enhanced control and a more immersive experience. Let's get started with the setup process. Connecting an Xbox controller to your PC is often a straightforward process. For a wireless connection, simply turn on your computer's Bluetooth, put your controller into pairing mode, and select it from your device list. If you prefer a wired connection, just plug the controller into an available USB port using a compatible cable. Windows usually detects these controllers instantly, allowing you to jump into Roblox games with minimal fuss. PlayStation controllers require a few extra steps since Roblox on PC does not natively support them. One popular method is to use Steam's Big Picture mode. Add Roblox as a non-Steam game, then enable PlayStation controller support within Steam settings. Another effective solution is to download and install DS4 Windows, which emulates your PlayStation controller as an Xbox 360 controller, making it compatible with Roblox and many other PC titles. Once your controller is connected, Roblox should automatically apply default controls for movement and actions. If you encounter any issues, first check your physical connection or Bluetooth pairing. Ensure your PC's drivers are up to date. Also, be aware that while many Roblox experiences support controllers well, some may offer more optimized or complete gamepad integration than others. Experiment and enjoy a new way to play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.